Lesson 23. Future Continuous. What will you be doing? 3. Javier, 34 years old, USA. This time next week, I will be opening a Mexican restaurant. In exactly 168 hours, I will be standing at the door and greeting the first guests. Finally. I can't wait. It's a family business, so my siblings will be helping me. My sister Doris will be serving drinks, and my brother Juan will be making and serving yummy tacos and enchiladas. He is one of the best Mexican chefs in the city, so I'm sure that people will love his food. Believe me, I'm not saying that just because he is my brother. I want to create a very festive atmosphere in the room, so a mariachi band will be playing all evening. The band will also be teaching the guests some traditional Mexican dances. I will definitely be dancing and inviting everyone to join me.
Katie, 25 years old, England. I will be recording my first album in the famous Abbey Road Studios in London in less than 3 days. I still can't believe that it will be happening. In about 70 hours, my biggest dream will be coming true. I will be working in the studio with Max Martin, one of the most successful music producers in the world. He will be flying from Los Angeles to London tomorrow morning, especially for me. I will be driving to London with my cousin Sarah this afternoon. I want to be there a day earlier to get ready for my meeting with Max. He and I will be talking to each other in person for the first time tomorrow at 4 p.m. We will be discussing the details of the recording process and my plans for the future. Then, at 9 a.m. the next day, we will be walking into the iconic studio together. I feel like the luckiest person in the world.
Elsa, 37 years old, Sweden. Next Saturday at 4 p.m., my younger sister Erica will be marrying her fiancé Dev. They will be promising to love and support each other forever in front of 120 people. I will be standing next to Erica during the ceremony, holding her bouquet of white roses, and trying not to cry. Right after the ceremony, from 5 until about 6 p.m. Erica and Dev will be posing for photos with the guests. After the photo shoot, they will be performing their first dance as a married couple. They will be dancing to Stevie Wonder's You Are the Sunshine of My Life, and I will be singing the song for them. It's a surprise, so I can't wait to see their reactions. My brother Jay will be filming the special performance, and the video will be our gift for Erica and our new brother-in-law. At about 7 p.m. Erica and Dev will be cutting their wedding cake. Then, finally, it will be time to dance.